arises. How can I get free from lust and discover the unique inner bliss that's my very birthright as a human being? How can I touch the love and joy that hides within transcendence? How can I touch the love and joy that hides within transcendence? Radha and Krishna have revealed the secret by saying, "Come, my children, come enter our Rasa Lila. We guarantee that your mind and heart will be fully conquered by our immaculately pure and sweet, selfless love." All the famous love stories, be they past, present, or personal, are certainly very compelling, exciting, and heart-stirring, but none of them have the power to spiritualize one's existence and free one from the cycle of birth and death, samsara. And they can never give one the sweet taste of bliss that never ends. However, there is one love story from time eternal, the divine love story of Radha and Krishna, the Rasa Lila, which definitely gives any partaker the boundless joy arising from a pure mind and the ultimate bliss and fulfillment arising from a fully satisfied, love-drenched heart.